Ready to transform your passion into profit with affiliate marketing? Let's build a powerful Wix website that drives traffic and earns you commissions. First things first, finding your perfect niche. Think about what you're genuinely interested in and whether there's a demand for it. Popular niches include tech, gadgets, beauty products, fitness gear, or even pet supplies. Head over to Wix.com and sign up for a free account. Wix makes it incredibly easy to build a professional website, even if you have zero design or coding experience. Once you're in, choose a template that aligns with your niche. Wix offers thousands of customizable templates. Look for one that's clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Now, let's get building in the Wix Editor. Focus on creating informative, engaging content that solves a problem or answers a question for your target audience. This could be product reviews, comparison guides, or how-to tutorials. The secret sauce of affiliate marketing is smart link placement. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your content. For instance, when reviewing a product, link directly to that product on the retailer's site using your unique affiliate link. Don't forget to create compelling call to actions like shop now or learn more to encourage clicks. Regularly publish new content to keep your audience engaged and search engines happy. To drive traffic, optimize your site for search engines. Use your chosen keywords naturally in your page titles, descriptions, and content. Wix's built-in SEO tools can guide you through this process. Consider creating a dedicated resources or shop page where you can list your recommended products with their affiliate links. This provides a clear hub for your audience. Finally, keep an eye on your analytics. Track which content is performing best and which links are getting the most clicks. This data will help you refine your strategy and maximize your revenue. With these steps, you're on your way to building a successful Wix affiliate marketing website. Start building today and unlock your online earning potential.